Hello student, in this lecture we are studying about the tissue system in angiospermic plant. All three vegetative organ, root, stem and leaf are made up of different type of tissue. Type of tissue is based on their structure as well as function. On the basis of structure and function, tissue are located in different layers of the anatomy. Now, on the basis of structure and location, tissue system are mainly classified into three types. First type is epidermal tissue system. Epidermis is one of the outermost protective layer. This epidermis protects the whole plant body. It means that root, stem and leaf are covered by epidermal tissue. Epidermis is a single layer of elongated, compactly arranged parenchyma cell. These cells are parenchyma, means they are living cells, and these living cell contain very small amount of cytoplasm which is lining to the cell. For example, this is the peripheral cytoplasm, and centrally located large nucleus is present in the epidermal cell. Epidermis show variation in root, stem and leaf. While studying root, we must have to remember that epidermis is also called as epiblema. These are elongated and compactly arranged parenchyma cell. Some of the parenchyma cell get extended. This elongated portion of the parenchyma cell in the root epidermis are known as root hairs. These root hair absorb water and mineral from the soil. In case of aerial part of the plant body, that is shoot system, which included stem and leaf. Stem is also covered by epidermis, but in case of stem, epidermis also form cuticle layer around itself. This cuticle is hydrophobic layer and it avoid the transpiration of water. Through the young stem, a very small amount of water can be transpired through the stomata. These are suppose stomata. Some lateral appendages are also present in the epidermis of the stem. These lateral appendages are often multicellular. They are known as trichomes. Trichome. And these trichomes may be branched or unbranched. They may be soft or smooth, and sometimes they are secretory in nature. Next is about the epidermis of leaf. There are two type of leaf, that is monocot leaf and dicot leaf. Dicot leaf is also called as dorsiventral leaf. In this dicot leaf, lower epidermis having more distribution of stomata as compared to the upper epidermis. In the leaf epidermis of the dicot plant, the shape of guard cell is bean shaped like this. These are the pair of guard cell located on the epidermis of leaf. In the vicinity of guard cell, vicinity means surrounding, specialized epidermal cells are present. These specialized epidermal cells in the vicinity of stomata are known as subsidiary cell. Point to be noted, leaf epidermal cell did not contain chloroplast, but chloroplasts are found in the guard cell of the stomata. Both guard cell encloses a very narrow space in between them. It is called as stomatal pore. In case of monocot plant, equally distribution of stomata is present. जितने स्टोमेटा अपर एपिडर्मिस पर रहेंगे उतने ही लोअर एपिडर्मिस में, बट In case of monocot, the shape of guard cell is dumbbell-like. These are the pair of guard cell which encloses the stomatal pore, and subsidiary cells are also present. In monocot again, guard cell contain chloroplast, but epidermal cell did not show the presence of chloroplast. This guard cell in both monocot as well as dicot perform photosynthesis and regulate the opening and closing of stomata. So point to be noted, opening and closing of the stomata is regulated by the guard cell. Inner wall of the guard cell is thick and outer wall is comparatively thin. These are all about the epidermal tissue system in root, stem as well as leaf. Now, another type of the tissue system in angiospermic plant is known as ground tissue. This ground tissue are also called as fundamental tissue. Ground tissue are also known as, ground tissue are also known as fundamental tissue, and this tissue form the major organ of the plant body. Ground tissue are made up of simple permanent tissue, for example parenchyma, then collenchyma, and third type of simple permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. Among these three, upper two, that is parenchyma and collenchyma, are living. They contain cytoplasm as well as nucleus, but the sclerenchyma is dead. Ground tissue included hypodermis just below the epidermis, then cortical region, 3 to 4 layer of rounded and loosely arranged parenchyma cell. Inner boundary is known endodermis, made up of elongated, compactly arranged cell. In root, this endodermal cell contain Casparian strip and some passage cell. एंडोडर्मिस के नीचे जितना भी रीजन रहेगा उस कंप्लीट रीजन को नाम दिया जाएगा स्टील, एंड स्टील इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ पेरिसाइकल which provide space for vascular bundle, that is xylem and phloem. Central most portion is called as pith. These layer are present in the stem of monocot as well as dicot. In case of root, hypodermis is not found, but stem it is present. In case of leaf, the mesophyll tissue which contain chloroplast and perform photosynthesis, these mesophyll tissue represent the ground tissue or fundamental tissue in case of leaf, monocot as well as dicot leaf. Now, third type of the tissue system in angiospermic plant is known as vascular bundle. Vascular bundles are also called as fascicle, and vascular bundle are composed of two complex permanent tissue. One is xylem, another is phloem. Xylem is made up of 4 different type of cells, among which only one is living, that is xylem parenchyma, and 3 are dead. Trachete, which is supposed to be most primitive type of cell, it is developed first time in the pteridophyta. Vessels is also dead cell, and the third dead cell are xylem fiber. Fiber is a type of sclerenchyma. In angiospermic plant, trachete and vessel are chief water conducting tissue. Trachete and vessel are chief water conducting tissue. This trachete and vessel are collectively known as tracheary elements. Presence of vessel is a characteristic feature of angiosperm because vessel is neither found in gymnosperm nor in the pteridophyta. Fiber provide mechanical support for different or another cell of the xylem. Another type of vascular bundle in angiospermic plant is phloem. Like xylem, phloem is also made up of the four different type of cell, of which only one is dead and three are living. The dead one is known as phloem fiber. It is a type of sclerenchyma cell. Second is phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma. It is also living. Next is sieve tube. Instead of sieve tube, gymnosperm and pteridophyta show the presence of sieve cells. They are structurally different but functionally similar. The last one is companion cell. Point to be noted, sieve tube did not have nucleus at their maturity, so sieve tube cell are enucleated cell. But as they contain cytoplasm, they are supposed to be living. The osmotic balance of the sieve tube is maintained by the companion cell. These are the two different type of vascular bundle, xylem and phloem. Now, according to the condition, xylem and phloem, that is vascular bundle tissue system, are of different type. Example, vascular bundle may be radial or vascular bundle may be conjoint. In radial type of vascular bundle, xylem and phloem are located alternatively. Xylem and phloem alternate to each other, and both xylem and phloem occupy the different radius. They are located on the different radius. The pillar of radius is radii. Let us consider this is endodermis and the inner region is pericycle. This is suppose xylem and this is also xylem. Phloem and it is phloem. So xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem, xylem, phloem alternatively situated. जिस रेडियस पर xylem आएगा उस पर phloem नहीं, जिस रेडियस पर phloem आएगा वहां पर xylem नहीं. So xylem and phloem are located on the different radii. This radial type of vascular bundle is found in root of monocot as well as in the root of dicot. Now second type of the vascular bundle are conjoint, which is opposite to the radial, and conjoint vascular bundle are found in stem of monocot as well as dicot. In conjoint vascular bundle, xylem and phloem are located jointly. दोनों एक साथ प्रेजेंट रहेंगे और सेम रेडियस के ऊपर प्रेजेंट रहेंगे. They occupy the same radii. For example, this is transverse section of the stem since conjoint vascular bundle is found in the stem. So these are the vascular bundles. In each vascular bundle, xylem is facing to the center and phloem is facing to the periphery. Both of these two vascular bundle occupy the same radius. On the basis of presence and absence of cambium, vascular bundle are again of two types, open and closed vascular bundle. In case of dicot and gymnosperm, dicot gymnosperm root, dicot gymnosperm stem, but not the leaf. This dicot root and stem show the presence of open type of vascular bundle. Means vascular bundle show the presence of cambium between them. Cambium is a ring of meristematic cell. If cambium is found or present between xylem and phloem, it is called as open vascular bundle, and open vascular bundle show secondary growth. Secondary growth means increase in diameter or increase in girth of the plant. Woody stem and woody root are developed due to secondary growth. Another type of vascular bundles are the closed vascular bundle. These closed vascular bundle are found in pteridophyta and monocots. Root of pteridophyta monocot as well as stem of pteridophyta and monocot. Closed vascular bundle did not show cambium between the vascular bundle. No cambium. Cambium is a ring of meristematic cells, that is dividing cell. No cambium is present between the vascular bundle. So due to absence of cambium, this root and stem did not show the secondary growth. That is, diameter, girth or width is not increases. Okay. In dicot stem, especially in dicot stem, the vascular bundles are arranged in a ring. This is very important characteristic feature of the dicot stem. In case of monocot stem, vascular bundle are scattered. बिखरे हुए vascular bundle रहेंगे. Small size vascular bundle towards the periphery and larger size vascular bundle towards the center. So these are all about the three type of tissue system.